Iceman. And Phil's governor, Tom Corbett, and his lovely wife, Susan. A Punxsutawney welcome for the governor. And his wife.
Phil.
A special round of applause for Thunder conductor, Dave Gelati.
A silent place.
My pleasure now, like the two gentlemen to come forward, our co-handlers, and your hosts, John Griffiths and Ron Placha. Finally, I'd like to introduce the Vice President, the gentleman who will explain a little bit more to you about what's going to happen today, and that's Mike Johnson. He'll be introducing it. I'm named Jeff Lundy, Fairweather Man. Thank you all for coming. Michael. Okay, guys, there's a lot of mystery that surrounds Phil's prediction. And we've been asked over the last couple of years to maybe take a little bit of the mystery away. We're going to leave some in place, but we're going to take a little bit away. Phil's prediction is predicated on what Phil tells our president. Our president is the only person in the world who is gifted to understand the language of groundhogese. It's not a spoken language, it's a language that's a chirp and a click and a little body language and a wink of an eye and, maybe the cock of a head. So our president has the ability to interpret that. As you know, Phil makes two predictions. He predicts 6 more weeks of winter, or he predicts that spring is just around the corner. I, as the Vice President, am charged in preparing 2 scrolls, one stating winter, one stating spring. I will be instructed by our President after he communicates with Punxsutawney Phil as to which one to read. I really don't know. None of us know. You will see the decision made when you see one little animal communicating with one big animal. You be the judge. For 126 years, Groundhog Day has been a lot of fun. The meteorologists that are here might take a lesson. Remember, Phil is incapable of error and has never been incorrect. Anybody here can say that? Any meteorologists want to challenge? I didn't think so. Thank you for attending. Fabulous crowd, nice day. Let's get on with the show. Ron, John, any comments before we get going? I'm excited. I want to get it going here. I'm cold. I want to go home. Bill, I'd like to introduce you, the president of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club, William Dealey.
Turn at your chair.
Ladies and gentlemen, my job, your job is to wake up Phil here in a few moments. The cane that I'm holding in my left hand gives me the power to speak in groundhogese. So what are we going to do? We got to wake up Phil. How do we wake up Phil? Phil! 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 Okay, it's time to get serious here, ladies and gentlemen. Inner circle members all gather in close.
Oh my goodness. Go now!
Yeah. Handlers, get Phil out.
literally can't feel my face right now. The prognosticator. Of prognosticators. Seers. No.
I've been instructed as to which scroll to read. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. On Gobbler's Knob, on this magnificent Groundhog Day, February 2nd, 2012, Punxsutawney Phil, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, was summoned from his burrow in the old oak stump by the tap of President Bill Neely. He greeted his handlers, John Griffiths and Ron Plowcher, and after casting an appreciative glance to the thousands of faithful followers in attendance, Phil proclaimed, "As I look at the crowd on Gobbler's Knob, many shadows do I see. 6 more weeks of winter